Plug in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. Now we are able to drive forward and backward, you see? So what I'm doing first is I'm learning the stroke. Okay, so you push,
معايرة الانجكتور.
so you push learning the stroke and automatic it calibrate. Okay? You see now? And now we see it's 0 and you see the yellow dot. Now we change back the ejector way. This one to 30.
28.
It was 28, so we can also change 28, no problem.
Yes.
28, zack, and activate.
Okay.
Now finish. Now I check by hand. And now you hear as well. If now something would wrong from the connection, it may like. If you hear this sound, meanwhile ejector, you lose all the screws and you make new the new installation of the screws again. You can translate it maybe.
الآن إذا سمعت صوت الآن لما تشغل وين وين خلاص.
So it should be smooth. No. If it even make like the whistling from ejection.
إذا سمعت الصوت هذا صبر وقف على طول فكه من ورا.
Like this it's fine. Now I'm also able to close and open. You see? This one is okay.
Yeah.
But before I close fully, I open and I check. There is one visible pin. You see? Attention pin visible. And also you see it here, attention pin visible. So now I switch on the light. I take a light. And I check. Okay, here I see the pin. And
بنات كبير حطيناها في جاي في راسه ذكرى صغيره لازم تكون شايفها.
and here I see the pin. Okay, I can see. And also now you check. You can check. Okay, now the ejector is okay. Also we learn the mold height and we set it clamping force. Clamping force finish, mold height finish, ejector finish. Okay, but it's in a cold condition without water.
Yeah.
Later, if we start water and before we start again, we set again clamping force new, because if you switch on the water, it's getting cold, 12, 13 degrees, and the whole mold cooling down. And metal, if it's cold, it's getting smaller.
Yeah, shrinkage.
So we will have less height like now.
Yes.
So this is why we make new calibration. And so just setting clamping force new, if temperature from water is okay and the heater, if everything is okay, before we start. We finished the calibration for ejector and for the mold. The only calibration here we need for the injection unit. But this one we only run if all the temperatures are okay, if everything is hot.
Yes.
Okay, so before we start, now I will close the mold. See?